we are now on the way to go to work. I'm just going to stop here to buy a sandwich. I'm waiting for my bacon and egg roll. Yeah, I bought it. It's $7 plus this soft drinks, $11. Still have 45 minutes, and I'm just going to eat the sandwich. Yeah, this is very basic. So it's like a soup with rice. Now I am going to reply to the comment here. Good morning, guys. It's already 5:30. Yeah, I was outside and when I noticed it is raining actually. And I'm already ready like this. Yeah, it is not raining, but there is a small droplets. It's almost done, right? Nice. Yeah, they're working very fast, but you know, whenever I see them, they are just around 3 to 5 people who are working. Yeah, today I finished at 2:15 when I sign out, and then yeah, I'm here now. And actually we did 101 covers. Yeah, nice. Everything was smooth. Nice, those are beautiful flowers. They are growing only during spring. Yeah, I just got home and there is no rain. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, we are just going to grocery and then take some money from the ATM machine because today I need to pay for the house rent, $250, in case you don't know. Nice weather today, a little bit windy, and the wind is cold. I don't know if there are people in the beach with this wind. It is very sunny anyway. Okay, we're going to stop here because I would like to be just walking while vlogging. The sun is getting down there. The time now is around maybe 4:30. I have so many files, video that is broken because I am using a wrong memory card. Yeah, it's a wrong memory card. Yeah, we are now here in the grocery. We're just going to leave the bike somewhere outside there like always, and yeah, we go inside to buy something. I actually made my backpack empty so that I can put stuff in here. One last basket for me. Yeah, we're going to take this. This is 4 chunky cheese beef burgers, $6.50. And because every breakfast I am now eating oatmeal mostly, something like that, so I'm going to take one of this full cream milk. This is just $1, mate. And of course, rice is very important. Without rice, no life for me. Yeah, these days I'm just getting the 2 kg, 1 kg because the 5 kg is heavy. Sometimes I want to buy something like this, like a pizza sauce, tomato sauce, pesto sauce, but you know, I don't really enjoy pasta. I'm not satisfied eating pasta or anything without rice. I'm not satisfied eating it, and pasta with rice is not a good combination. Oh, this is just $16. Toshiba, $16. MicroSD card. Yeah, I don't know if that is good because you know, I have one. Yeah, actually I have a lot of video files that is broken. Yeah, that is why I didn't upload video like for the past 3 or 4 days because of that. most of the files on my camera are broken. I am actually using the Sandisk MicroSD card. Yeah, and most of the files when I am editing, most of the files are having this problem like lagging. Yeah, there is a sound but the video is not moving, or sometimes the video is moving but the audio, there is no audio. Yeah, actually those files are really good because in some of those files I meet a lady and she's actually riding with her bike, traveling around Australia with just bike. Yeah, because I approached her asking, are you traveling with your bike? Yeah, and she said yes. Yeah, we had a conversation and it was recorded, but yeah, the file is broken. Sad. Yeah, that is a Sandisk MicroSD card. And the good one is the Lexar. Lexar is actually the one that I am using now in this camera, and in most of my videos before are just Lexar. But when I use that Sandisk, big problem. Yeah, so for you, don't use the Sandisk. I don't know in particular, but I will put it in the description which Sandisk in particular is not working very well in my GoPro Hero 5. I read in the comment before that there are some sachet of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. I didn't see any sachet. All are just like this. Look at this. This size is it's big, but it's just $1.57. And I am also going to take this. This is chicken cubes. This is just $1. We're going to take one of these. This is $2.49. Yeah, I am now used to use a tissue paper, a napkin. Yeah, because in Dubai there is a washer in every toilet, so sometimes you don't need tissue. But here in Australia, very important, right? We will try this. This is a pea and ham soup with croutons, just $1. And like always, we need some egg. This is $3, 1 dozen. And I'm also going to take this. This is a Sistema stainless steel, 12 hours cool, 6 hours hot, and it's a BPA free. I think it's something like lid, just $10. Yeah, I remember the one restaurant in the Philippines. They are serving just cheese. I think it's cheddar cheese and pasta and just salt and pepper, and it tastes very good already. But yeah, I want to try that, but I don't see here the cheddar cheese that the same looks like what they have in there. This looks different. Everything here looks different, right? The cheddar cheese that I know is that the berry, like a berry orange. Maybe this is the one, but it's English cheese. Yeah, and this one is an infused cheddar cheese with the smoke. Okay, we take one piece. This one. Here we're going to take this. This is cream. Basically we're going to add this to the cheese that I bought. This is how much? This is just $2. It's there. Yeah, thank you.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, that is how it is easy to use the Apple Pay. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is put your finger in the what is that? In the home button of your mobile phone, and it's done. Yeah, we just keep on walking because I like to walk. And because if we are walking, we're going to see a lot of things. And this time we are going to the ATM machine to get some money because I need to pay for the house rent. And I just got home. Yeah, I have some laundry outside. I'm going to pick that up. Yeah, and everything was fit on my backpack. Let me show you what I bought. I think you've seen it already. Yeah, so yeah. have no space. I have some mess here. Yeah, you've seen it already, and actually it costs $33.75 Australian dollars. Yeah, I will show you. This is the memory card that I am having a problem. This one. This is a Sandisk Extreme 32 GB MicroSD version 30 or something like that. Yeah. So basically this SD card is collapse. Corrupt. Yeah, the video are playing but no audio, or sometimes playing the audio but no video. Yeah, a lot of, maybe that is about around 4 days of blogging that is corrupted. Yeah, and also there is one part of that I meet a lady who is traveling with her bike. Yeah, I actually interview her with the camera, but yeah, I forgot also her name because I didn't ask again, because I will just check on the video the name, because I asked her name. But yeah, she is actually a police from Poland. Yeah, she's from Poland, and she's traveling, yeah, before in Southeast Asia. She never been in the Philippines, but the rest of Southeast Asia she did. And now she's here in Australia traveling also with her bike. I told her that I want also to do that, to travel with bike. Yeah, but you know, this Sundays. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.